we are continuing with our Android Studio series, and last time we implemented in our first part, in our part 1, we implemented the web view, and we are remaining with, and we also implemented the no internet. Let's check this. This is where we are. It loads. This is the first screen, then it loads the web. Everything was working fine. Let's see. Let's see this. Everything was working fine, but the full screen does not go in full screen. You see, we also implemented the no internet. Let's check this. Turn off the internet, and we see. Let's try and see this. You see, but this OK button was not configured, was not implemented. So today we are going to implement this OK button. Let's turn back. Check this, the loading screen. When it checks there is no internet, it says no internet connection, which is okay, which is good, but that OK button was not implemented. We are going to implement it in this part. Let's check again. You see, now everything is working fine. Today we are going to implement the OK button and the full screen. What we are going to do, we are going to say, we are going to go back here on, let's go back here, and we say, instead of this web Chrome client, we remove web Chrome client, and we say, since this is our main activity 2, we are going to say new, this new main activity 2. Before this bracket we put main activity 2 dot, let's say maybe my Chrome. You can put anything you want, my Chrome, like that. Don't worry about this, and don't worry about this also. We are going to deal with it. So after changing this, we go here and we say public class my Chrome extends web client, web Chrome client, and we say private view custom view, and we say private web Chrome client dot custom view callback custom view callback. And we also say private int original orientation also we say private int original system UI visibility. We continue and say my Chrome bracket this, and you say public bitmap get default why this way, let's check. Import this, we import this, import class get default video poster into bracket. Then we open this and we say if custom view is equal to null, and open bracket is equal to null, then return null. Then we go here and we say return bitmap factory dot decode resource get application context dot get resources, comma, then write this number 213,083,7573. Yeah, like that. Then we say, we continue and say public void on hide custom view bracket, and then open this on hide custom view, and we say let's create a bracket here. Into bracket we can create another bracket inside that bracket, and we say frame layout, get out of the bracket and say get window get window dot get decode view or decode view, and we also say get out of the brackets dot remove view. In bracket we say this dot custom dot m custom view, which is this one, m custom view. Yeah, and we go down and say this dot m custom view is equal to null, then we say get window dot get decode view dot set system visibility dot get system visibility. Where are we? And we say this dot m original system UI visibility. Yeah, and we say set request orientation, set requested orientation. In brackets we said this dot original orientation. Okay, we continue and say this dot m custom view callback dot on custom view hidden, and we continue and say this dot m custom view callback again dot, which is equal to null. We continue, we go here and we say, remember we are implementing full screen, and we say public void on show custom view. The other one was on hide custom view, this one on show custom view. Into bracket we say view param view comma web chrome client dot custom view callback param custom view callback then we open this into bracket, then we say if this dot m custom view is not, this means, this symbol means is not equal to null, what happens? If it is not equal to null, we say bracket. I don't know if that one is called a bracket, just follow. We say on hide custom view and then return and return and return. We are going to say this dot m custom view is equal to param view, and we also say this dot m custom view, no, it's not m original custom view is finished. M original system UI visibility is equal to get window. Yes, yeah, get window dot get decal view dot get system UI visibility. Get system UI visibility, this one, and we say this dot m original orientation is equal to get requested orientation, get requested orientation. Then, and we say this dot m custom view callback. Actually, this is the original. Where is the original? This one. Then we say original, then we have the callback. This one is finished. Then we say m custom view callback is equal to param custom view callback, this one which we put here. It is here. Param custom view callback. Then we do this, we open this bracket, and we open another bracket where we are going to put our frame layout, and then we go out of frame layout and we say get window dot get decal view. Then we go out and we say dot add view. Which view? This dot m custom view, comma new frame layout dot layout params. Then we set the height and the width, which is going to be our -1. It is like this, and height -1, and height -1. All right, then we go and we say get window dot get decal view dot set system system UI visibility, then put this number 3846 space that space view with capital letter dot system in capital letter dot system UI flag layout stable, which is this one, layout stable, system UI flag layout stable, that one. Yeah, now our full screen is finished. Is free, but we still have this. Let's close this. Yeah, our full screen is finished. It is here. Let me expand it. Now we are remaining with something which is called implementing on back placed. When we are exiting the app, we call it on back placed. Let's implement it. Let's say on back, not capital, we say on back placed, this on back placed. Let's remove this super on back, remove it, and we say if my web dot is focused and my web dot can go back, what do we do if it can go back? We say my web dot go back. Since we have the if, then we just try and say the else part. Otherwise, if it cannot go back, if web view cannot go back, we say else open. Let's say here you can ask the user if she or he can close or can go back, can exit that screen. We can put an alert, like let's say new alert dialog builder, this, then we say dot set title exit. You can put the name of the app if you want, and then we say dot set message, set message. You can say you can ask the user, do you want to close this app? Then we put a condition. You can say dot set. There is a positive button and a negative button. You can say no, or yes. Yes is positive, no is a negative. It's a negative button. Then we say set positive button, positive bar button, which is yes. Yes, then comma, introduce bracket and say dialog, sorry, small letter, dialog, comma, which, and then get out of the bracket. We can remove this second bracket here, this one, the last bracket. We put lambda like this, then introduce brackets and say finish, and say finish. Then let's introduce this bracket, which we removed from here. Let's put it here. We put it here, and then say dot. Let's set the negative button, negative dot set negative button, which is no. And if the user says no, I don't want to exit, let the listener be null. The app does nothing about it, it just stops it from there. Just continue, the user continues doing what he or she is doing. Then dot show the dialog, the alert. This is the alert. Okay, now we are going to implement our OK button. This OK button was for what? OK button was for no internet layout. We are going to put here something. Then we say when there is no internet and the user selects OK, the app has to close. So you have to say on back pressed and then finish. Yeah, that's it. Now let's run our app and we see. But this time I'm not going to use, okay, let's use YouTube. Let's use this link, no problem. Let us run our app again and we see. Let's wait as it is building. We are going to work on this web view app until we monetize it. We put ads, everything. And if possible, we will publish it on our Play Store. Let's wait. As you see, starting, then it opens. Let's try something like this. Let me put this Uganda music like this. Let's check the full screen. Let's check this full screen. This is our video full screen, as you see it is there. But now there is only one problem. When you rotate the screen like this, it loads again. You see, you rotate, it loads again. To solve that issue, you go, let's pause this. I wanted to pause. To solve that issue, you go to manifest, and you say, then you come every activity. We have main activity, and we have the main activity too. Let's first deal with the main activity, and we say config changes, orientation, then like this, and we say screen size, then we put this, I don't know how we call that, and then screen layout. Yeah, let's copy this, copy and paste it here in main activity 2. And if you have more than 2 activities, you can put it in every activity, in all activities. You see, now I have 2 activities, the first one, the second one. You see, then let's run our app again and we see. Let's see, it loads. Let's get one video here. Let's try this one. No, it is advertisement. I want to get one video. Let me get one video here. Uganda music. Let me try this video here. Okay, let's try and see full screen. You see, and let me rotate. It rotates again, back, and again it's not reloading. Okay, now there is one thing we've implemented, that is the back button. Let's check the back button. You go back. Do you want to close this up? Yes. If you say yes, it closes. You say no, it does nothing. You say yes, it closes. You see. And another thing we've implemented is a OK button for no internet layout. No button. Let's remove the internet. Let's turn off the internet and we check no internet connection. When we say OK, it has to exit. Let's check again. No internet. OK, it exits. That is good. Now that is all for today, but next time we are going to remove this link, and we use Firebase instead of rebuilding the app again. You just go to your browser, you go to your Firebase and you type in your another web link, then it changes automatically from here without installing the app again. because now here you have to install the app again. You change the link, you install again. Next time we are not going to do that. We are going to implement Firebase. After Firebase, we, instead of changing this here, we change it from the Firebase. Okay, that is for today. We meet in the next video.